Hi, in this video we're going to go over changing the date and time for a 7510 indicator when it is printing to a printer. This printer is our SL-412T-L1 printer. This printer does sticker labels, so let's go ahead and print and see what date and time we have. So we currently have right now January 1st, 2023, 6:41 p.m. So if we wanted to change that and if it was incorrect, first we would go ahead and press hold and print together on our indicator and head to C16. So you're going to use these symbols that correspond to each button to navigate and change things on your screen. So I'm going to hit the unit button to go over and then use the 0 and there to get 1. And then go back over with count and go to 6. So C16 and then press print. Here is the date. So what we printed out is January 1st, 2023. So this is the year, this is the month, and this is the date. So if we wanted to change that, so say we can change it here to whatever we need to change it to, right? So we'll do that and then press print when we want to save that. And then C17 is going to be the time. So the time is in 24 hours military time. So to get PM, it has to be obviously over 12. To get AM, we can just change that. So if we want to get 9 o'clock in the morning, 9:30 in the morning, let's do 9:30. We would change it like this. And then press print once we have that set and ready. And then once that's done, we can save and exit by pressing ACCUM. And you're back into weighing mode. And then you're going to want to test it to make sure all your information is correct. And you're going to press print. And we'll take a look. And there we go, 9:30 a.m. So it did print out exactly the way we set it up. If you have any questions, you can send us an email at info@SellEton Scales.com or give us a call or check out our website at SellEton Scales.com. Thank you very much.